Welcome to this exciting lesson on tongue twisters. A tongue twister is a specific sequence of words whose rapid, repeated pronunciation is difficult even for native speakers. That means if English is your first language, you've grown up speaking English, even for you, tongue twisters are going to be difficult, let alone if English is your second language or third. Often these are similar words which follow one another but differ in certain syllables. Alliterations are also frequent. In addition, some tongues are difficult because of their unusual word composition. That means like how the words are made up or their sentence structure, and therefore it requires a high level of concentration. You will see this because I'm going to try to demonstrate a few tongue twisters before you try on your own. Some tongue twisters are made for amusement, which means to make you laugh. But on the other hand, professional speakers such as actors and politicians, even television and radio hosts, they use them as articulation exercises. And articulation means that you are pronouncing your words correctly. So, without further ado, let's practice some of these tongue twisters. In this week's agenda, I've included a couple of websites for your resource, but you can always find a few tongue twisters on your own, whether you have a book or you go to a different website. That's fine. Here's some of the examples though. In this first tongue twister, it says rubber, baby, buggy, bumpers. You say it. Rubber, baby, buggy, bumpers. Now try to say it faster. Rubber, baby, buggy, bumpers. How'd you do? Can you do it faster? Rubber, baby, buggy, bumpers. Uh-oh. Can you do it even faster than I did? Rubber, baby, buggy, bumpers. Ooh, I wonder if I can go even faster. Rubber, baby, buggy, bumpers. Now I wonder if I can do it 2 times. Rubber, baby, buggy, bumpers. Rubber, baby, buggy, bumpers. How about 3 times? Rubber, baby, buggy, bumpers. Rubber, baby, buggy, bumpers. Rubber, baby, buggy, bumpers. Oh, you'll notice that I started to slow down towards the end because it's causing me a lot of I have to concentrate in order to say it quickly. Let's try this third one. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. That sentence alone is very difficult. Do you notice how the sounds are very difficult to make when they're changing up like that right after one another? And this is a very classic tongue twister. Did Peter Piper pick a peck of pickled peppers? If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? As I'd first mentioned, sometimes, tongue twisters may not make sense, but the point is to practice the sounds that you're saying. So try to read it again, pause the video, and then read it faster, and then try to do it again. So I'm going to try off the fly, real fast, as fast as I can to read that tongue twister. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Did Peter Piper pick a peck of pickled peppers? If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled pepper? I almost made it. Man, I got tongue-tied. I'm going to try it again. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Did Peter Piper pick a peck of pickled peppers? If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? Woo! I want you guys to have fun with this today. It's meant to be fun.